Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to change the home page in Via Browser on your mobile device. This is a simple process that can make your browsing experience more convenient and personalized. This guide will help. First, open Via Browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu icon. Then, tap on Settings to access the browser configuration options. Inside the Settings page, find and tap on General. After that, find the option labeled Home Page and tap on it. Now, you will see three choices: Blank Page, Bookmarks, or Web Page. If you select Blank Page, your browser will open to a clean page with no content. If you choose Bookmarks, your home page will display your saved bookmarks for quick access. If you prefer Web Page, you can enter the URL of the site you want as your home page. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.